What if I told you Cadillac didn't just build a vehicle, but crafted a moving luxury resort where technology, comfort, and art meet the open road? Well, buckle up, because today on JB Motorhome Reviews, we're stepping inside one of the boldest machines Cadillac has ever dreamed into reality, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. This isn't just a fancy RV. It's a full-on redefinition of what traveling in style really means, where every mile feels like a sweet night at the Ritz, and every stop feels like an event. We're diving deep, from design to drive, luxury to logistics, and by the end, you'll know whether this rolling mansion is pure indulgence or the smartest luxury investment of the decade. So grab your drink, sit back, and let's roll. At first sight, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome doesn't just look different, it feels different. It carries the DNA of a private jet more than a camper van. Its profile slices through the air with sharp, sculpted lines. Those signature vertical LEDs up front instantly remind you of Cadillac's flagship sedans. But look closer. That's not just design language. It's aerodynamic engineering at play. Active vents, retracting grills, and airflow tunnels whisper that this beast was built to move with grace, not grunt. The gloss black fascia and metallic-coated panels shimmer differently as light hits from each angle. It's the kind of finish that turns heads in silence. And instead of the typical RV boxiness, Cadillac has gone with a floating silhouette, sleek curves, a panoramic windshield, and motorized slide-outs that expand at the touch of a button. Every edge, every contour says one thing: luxury in motion. But the real magic begins once you step inside. Forget stepping into a camper. This feels like entering a high-rise penthouse. The first thing that greets you is a wave of serenity. The walls are wrapped in fine, hand-stitched semi-aniline leather, paired with open-pore wood that feels warm to the touch. The lighting adjusts automatically to the time of day, a soft sunrise hue in the morning and a golden ambient glow as evening falls. And yes, even the air feels different. As we step inside, the first thing that welcomes us isn't just space, it's sophistication. Every curve, every light, every texture whispers modern design and quiet power. The kitchen area feels more like a five-star suite than something on wheels. Premium marble finish counters stretch seamlessly along the wall, while touch-sensitive panels control induction cooking, ambient lighting, and even temperature. The cabinets open with silent hydraulic motion. No handles, no clutter, just smooth design. Built-in appliances stay hidden behind mirror finish panels, keeping everything minimal yet practical. Even the coffee machine emerges automatically when the system recognizes morning mode, luxury meeting intelligence. Moving deeper inside, the atmosphere softens. Golden light spills across rich textures as we enter the bedroom suite. Here, design turns emotional. The bed floats slightly above the floor with soft underlighting, and panoramic smart glass windows shift from clear to privacy tint with a single touch. The walls are finished with acoustic leather panels for a quiet, cocoon-like feel, while the ceiling displays a customizable starlight pattern. A hidden control hub near the headboard lets you adjust temperature, lighting, and sound, all without leaving your pillow. Every inch of this space reminds you, this isn't travel, it's arrival. Cadillac uses ionized purification to keep the cabin atmosphere crisp and allergen-free, like the kind of calm you only find in luxury spas. Now, most people would expect the living area to be where the glamour ends, but here, it's just getting started. A wide recliner sofa unfolds into a theater-style lounge, facing a retractable 75-inch OLED smart screen. The audio? A 3D surround setup tuned by AKG. You don't just hear it, you feel it. And above? A digital skylight that mimics the real sky. During the day, it recreates natural daylight to keep your body clock in sync. At night, it transforms into a soft constellation pattern, pure cinematic magic. Before we talk about the kitchen, we've got to stop by the most underrated room on wheels, the bathroom. Because here, Cadillac didn't just build a washroom, they built an experience. Think marble floors with built-in heating. A rainfall shower that senses your ideal water temperature the moment you step in. An integrated smart mirror that not only shows your reflection, but also displays weather, time, or even your next route destination. And because Cadillac knows silence is luxury, the entire bathroom is soundproofed. You could run the shower with the TV on, and you'd still hear nothing but calm, is the kind of tech that makes you wonder, are we looking at the future of road travel? But Cadillac didn't stop at luxury and tech. Safety, that's where they over-delivered. The 2026 model carries a reinforced composite frame designed to absorb impacts like a high-end SUV. It includes biometric door locks, interior heat sensors to alert if a pet or child is left inside, and a full suite of driver aids, from adaptive cruise to emergency lane correction. Super Cruise integration allows semi-autonomous driving on mapped highways, while a 360-degree radar shield keeps constant track of surroundings. It's not paranoia, it's peace of mind. In emergencies, the vehicle automatically links to an encrypted response line, sharing location and interior readings with Cadillac's support system. It's safety done the Cadillac way, silent, smart, and strong. Now, here comes the golden question. What does all this cost? Luxury has never been cheap, and this masterpiece starts around $395,000 for the V8 version. The electric AWD variant? Closer to $450,000. And with the full custom packages, extended solar panels, bespoke interior finishes, and luxury trim, it climbs near $520,000. But when you factor in the design, exclusivity, and engineering, it's not just an expense. It's a lifestyle asset, something that appreciates not in value, but in experience. And Cadillac knows that. That's why they've limited production and built a dedicated ownership program, priority service, exclusive travel events, and long-term maintenance plans. This isn't a mass product. It's a statement on wheels. So what makes the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome so special? It's not just about comfort. It's about control. Not just about luxury, but freedom. It takes the spirit of the open road and dresses it in silk. It makes every sunrise through your windshield feel like a movie scene. And most importantly, it proves that travel can still be both bold and beautiful. If this masterpiece stirred your imagination, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts below, and tell me, if you own this motorhome, where's the first place you drive it? And don't forget, subscribe to JB Motorhome Reviews for more cinematic journeys into the world's most innovative RVs, concept builds, and future travel tech. Because what's coming next might just make this Cadillac look humble. Until then, stay curious, stay mobile, and remember, the road belongs to those who travel it beautifully.